Hi, in this video we'll be looking at creating simple formulas and also working with simple functions in Microsoft Excel. So we have a worksheet already prepared and we're seeing here the headings for item, unit cost, quantity, total cost. We'll also go ahead and utilize the average function, the min function, the max function, and the count function to find the average, lowest, highest, and number of items in this worksheet. So we're going to go ahead and find the total cost here for milk, eggs, bread. And the first thing you want to have in any formula is the equal sign. So we're going to start with equal, and we're going to use the cell addresses for each of the numeric values we have for unit cost and quantity for each of the item mentioned just now. So for milk, we can see unit cost in cell B2, so we'll go ahead and enter B2. So notice Microsoft Excel will highlight the cell address for you, or the particular cell that you have entered in your formula. So we have B2, and of course to get a total cost we'll be multiplying unit cost by quantity. So it will be B2 times, we use the asterisk here for multiplication, times C2, right? And we can go ahead and press the enter key here and we'll see the total cost is $6. Now there's something very cool with Microsoft Excel. We can use what we call the fill handle, which is found bottom right of your cell here, to copy the formula. So I'll just go ahead, highlight this cell containing the formula that you can see in your formula bar right here. And if we go ahead and highlight, we just press escape there. If we go ahead and highlight and we'll move the mouse pointer to the bottom right of that cell, we'll notice the icon changes to what looks like a plus sign, a black plus sign. So we'll drag this down to the other cells. Oops, I think I made an error there. So I'm going to, okay. No, I didn't. Actually, it turns out that all my unit costs is equivalent to 6. That was not intended, but essentially this is what it does. When you copy the formula down, you notice as you click in each cell, you can see that the cells that are adjacent are the ones that are used in the formula. So it turns out here, but if I should make a change, let's change the quantity for bread to 4. You'll notice that the value for the total cost also changes, right? So let's change the quantity here to 7 for number of eggs, and you'll see that accordingly as well. Alright, so let us look at the average. For average, all we need is the average. So equal sign first, and the average is the actual name of the function we're going to use here. So we can go ahead and type in equal average. We want to find the average cost for all the items we have here. So we know the range, which is the group of cells we're working with, would be from D2 to D, that's from D2 to D4. So we can go ahead and highlight, and you'll notice that your, okay, my mouse is not working with me here. Okay, you notice that automatically by using the point mode, by clicking and dragging, that your range is automatically copied inside your brackets here for your function to use. So we can go ahead and press the enter key, and you'll now have your average there. So for lowest, we're going to use the min function here. So equal min, and the same range that we're using, which is D2 to D4. So we can go ahead and type that in, press the enter key, you have your lowest value there being 6. Also for the highest, we're going to use the max, and we're going to put that in, so it's D2 to D4. Alright, and that gives us 12 as the highest value, because minimum value is what min returns, and the maximum value is what max will return. number of items, we're going to use the count function here. So equal count followed by the open brackets. That would be D2 to D4 once again. And once we press the enter key, we now have our number of items being 3. Alright, hopefully this video has helped you. Please remember to subscribe and also to leave a comment and like the video as well. Thank you.